Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Niara Alexis. We are actually going to be trying out some of Milani's new spring launches, and I'm going to tell you at the end which products I think you should buy and which products I think you can skip. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. So we have a PR unboxing. I usually don't really do PR unboxings with you guys. So if you open her up, our first little intro here is they have some new color Fetish lipstick, and they also have these lip oils, which I'm very excited to try because I think these might be a dupe for a certain expensive, like super expensive, like high-end version. So I'm really excited to try those. Our first drawer here, we have some like little stick shadows. They kind of fell in here. We'll get them out at some point, but we have some stick shadows. We have a pair of lashes. We have a lip balm. We have a scented setting spray, and then we have the Gilded Flora, which I had already planned on buying anyway, so I'm so happy that they sent this over to me. Eyeshadow palette. Look at those colors, girl. The last drawer down here, it is a new palette from them that includes bronzer, highlight, 3 different eyeshadows, and a blush. So these are really more for like your smoky eyes. If you see like these little tones here, the bronzer, I already know that's not doing nothing for my skin tone, but the highlight is very pretty, so I might try this one today. I don't think I'm going for like a smoky look, but I will try the blush in here. So this is the Flora tinted lip balm. Ooh, it's like pink. Ooh, it's, ooh, babe, this smells great and it feels good. The gloss is, or the lip tinted balm is $6.97. Let's get into our blush. I always like to put my blush on first. So this palette by Milani, this is their all-inclusive smoky palette. So it's, like I said, very smoky. It's an eye, cheek, and face palette. It retails for $12.97. All of these can be purchased at Walmart. It's a very powdery formula, but like, look at this. For this to be a drugstore blush and like a all-in-one palette like this, usually like all-in-one palettes, I'd be like, it's a hard no. But this is a nice pigmented blush, and because it has like a little bit of shimmer in it, it kind of acts as like your blush and your highlight. I'm not gonna put my highlight on right now, but I am going to use this highlight that's in the palette. We about to pull her out. Okay, so this is the Gilded Flora eyeshadow palette. Let's look for her in our booklet. So it is a 12 hyperpigmented single swipe shades, and it's $15, and it's claiming it's single swipe color payoff, so we'll see. They do have these like crayons, like these eye crayons. So these are their Gilded Flora shadow sticks. It comes in 3 shades: Lilac Hue, Electric Daisy, and Rosewood. Sharpens easily, and they're $7 a piece. I think I'm gonna do Take Root, which is a matte brown, and I'm just going to start to work this into my crease up here. It's blending really nicely. Like, that's the one thing with eyeshadows. Okay, so I'm gonna use one of these shadow sticks in the shade, oh babe, I took off the paper, Lilac Hue, Lilac Hue, and I'm just going to just kind of put it out here in the outer corner, and I'm just blending that out. I'm using the same exact brush I was using before, and I think I'm gonna take the shade In Full Bloom. I'm just gonna take this with my finger though, because it claims that it's like single swipe. So I first because this is like a more of a glittery shade, I'm just gonna put some setting powder under my eye. She didn't lie, she didn't lie. Look at that. Oh my god, and it's so pretty. For this palette to be $15, like the 3 shadows that I've used alone are worth it. Y'all are probably like, oh girl, come on. I'm not lying to you. Y'all remember that Fenty Bomb Posse palette that came out? This is like blowing it out of the water. That palette had the nerve to be like almost $50. Sorry, Rihanna, but that palette was not our best work. All right, so I'm gonna use another one of the eyeshadow sticks. I knew I wanted to use this one. This is called, what one is this one called? Lilac Daisy, I think. So I feel like she will look great in like my inner corner. Okay, not gonna lie, This is kind of underwhelming, this color. Okay, so since that didn't work out, I'm gonna use Forget Me Not, which is like a lilac-y shade. And I'm going to put that on top of it. So what I'm gonna do with this Forget Me Not shade is I'm gonna start dragging it up and out, so it kind of creates like a little, like, it looks like I put like a liner in there or something, and I really haven't. I'm gonna take this stick again because it has so much glue in it, and I'm just going to like drag it on top of that. So we're gonna put on the lashes now. These are the vegan Flora lashes. They always come out with like cute little lashes with their capsules. This isn't for like a very light and wispy type of look. It's a thick lash and it's a thick band. So okay, so there is a little malfunction with the lash, and I don't think I'm gonna be able to wear them. They aren't bendy enough. So this is their Make It Last Flora scented. It is scented, so if you're sensitive to scent, keep that in mind. Let's see. The 3-in-1 formula, it primes, corrects, and sets, locks in your look. It prevents fading and settling. Okay, so it's a forceful mist, so. Oh, it does smell nice. It's powdery. It's not super heavy. It's not a heavy. Oh, all right, so let's pick out a lip color. I think I'm gonna try Petal. Just looking at it, I feel like this is gonna be like probably like my go-to from this collection. Oh, translates a little different on the lips, but we're gonna go with it. All right, so I want another color to go with that. That's a little bit too pink. So the other shade I just picked up was Peony. Let's see how these goes. Peony is maybe, oh, okay, that cools it down a bunch. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna have to take this lip off because I can't. Petal is pretty as like a touch of it, but I'm not a full pink lip type of girl. Oh, okay. Pretty. Oh, the lipsticks, let's look. The lipsticks I believe are the same. They're $8.99. So yeah, and they're infused with hyaluronic acid, which makes them like so nice. Or this is the Fruit Fetish lip oil. It's available in 4 shades: passion fruit, coconut, strawberry melon, raspberry, peach, and cherry lime, and an oversized doe foot applicator, and it is $10. So the one I am using is passion fruit coconut, and I picked this one because I feel like this is like the more clear of them all. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you which ones I feel like you should buy, which ones I feel like you can skip. Number one thing I feel like you can't skip is the lashes. They didn't really work for me. I think I needed to play with the lash a little bit more. Oh, I didn't even put the highlight on, you guys. Let me get the highlight. Let me see. Oh, she's pretty. She's more of like a sparkle. Someone said we're not wearing highlight in 2022, and I said I'm wearing highlight in 2022. I don't know about y'all, but I like my nose to be gleaming. Okay, so this palette, I didn't use everything from the palette. I just used the blush and the highlight for right now. I would say if you are of a deeper skin tone, you're gonna get used of just about everything in this palette except for like one of the blush shades and the bronzer. To me, I feel like that's pretty good though. This Gilded Flora is so pigmented for a $15 like drugstore eyeshadow palette. These mattes are super powdery, like they do have a lot of like fallout in pan. They blend beautifully, like effortlessly, and you can create so many different looks. If you're a girl that just likes something really quick on the go for every day, I would definitely say give these a try. But the shade I would probably skip is this Electric Lilac. This is like a topper shade. Like it's cute. If you're a girl that like, I like a lot of toppers, I like to have the options, pick her up. But for us like everyday like neutral glam type of girl, I Lilac You, I think it's, yeah, I Lilac You is this darker color that I used in my crease. And then this other shade, which is called what is she called, Rosewood, and she's more of like a champagne-y bronzy color, but I feel like she would look really good like all over your lid, so I would definitely give her a try. The lipsticks, look, if you like the regular Color Fetish lipsticks, you will like these as well. It's the same formula. All the shades have a pinkish or purplish undertone. So if you are not a pinky or purple lip type of gal, then maybe stay away from them. Then we have the Fruit Fetish lip oil. Pick her up. If there's nothing else you pick up from this, it should be this. Because like, who doesn't like a lip oil? Look at how my lips are juicy. Along with the lip oil, they have the tinted lip balm, and I really like this. And again, you guys know I don't like pink stuff on my lips. Like, I don't like pink stuff, I don't like purpley stuff. I like nude lips all the time. Pinky nude, that's the girl we are. And this was really nice though. It kind of blended out to be a little bit sheer, but it gave you like a hint of pink, which I guess was what a tinted balm is supposed to do. And then lastly, we have the Make It Last Flora setting spray. It is like their regular formula. I think it just has like a floral scent to it, and it smells nice. It's not overpowering, it's not super flowery. It's kind of smells like powdery in my opinion. I feel like this spring launch is a go from Milani. Definitely pick this stuff up. You can get this at Walmart. I haven't seen it at Target or anything else, but that's the branding that they have on their PR boxes, that everything is available at Walmart. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will be sure to link everything below, and I will see you next time.